You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to change the call background on your Samsung phone during a video call. This feature is available in the built-in phone app for video calls. First, open the phone app, tap the three-dot menu in the top right and select Settings. Tap on Call Background. Here you can choose a background for video calls. You can select from preset options or tap on the plus icon to add your own image from your gallery. Tap Add Image, then select a photo. You can adjust the cropping and tap Done. The selected background will now appear behind you during video calls, replacing your real background. This uses a background blur or replacement effect. For regular voice calls, you can change the background image that appears on the call screen when you are speaking to a contact. Go to Contacts, select a contact, tap Edit, then tap the camera icon to assign a specific photo. This photo will appear when that person calls. For system-wide call screen backgrounds, some Samsung themes may change the overall look, but per call backgrounds are limited to video effects and contact photos. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.